play Space Mining Simulator. It's a little weird that you mine in space, but in this game you do. I don't know why my character... You join my game, Tejas. My friend and me are gonna play together. He's a pro, but I'm a noob at this game. And he's... Tejas, where are you? I have more than 6 accounts. Tejas, join my game. Tejas, when you spawn, call me. I will come back to the whatever this capsule. What? Come in where? I am already in the game. Wait, let me give you an invite. Wait, let me see. Invite friends to play. Wait, just 1 minute. Invite. I invited you. I'm right in the middle. I'm right in the center. C. B or C? I can't hear you properly. Just say it in a word. Just say it in a word. Exit F. C. C for cat. C for cat. Where I am? Exit C. Let me see there. You are inside? Are you even in my game? Just check. No, you are not in my game. Tejas, do you want to play another game? This is a little boring. Fine. Right now I'm in another game because in that game it was a little very boring, so you will feel very boring, so then we changed our game. I'm just gonna tell you that let's do the 3 second challenge. If you have to subscribe in 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. I am in yellow team. Oh no! Green team has been. Because I killed you. I killed you. Yes, I did. Eliminate you. I need to go and just kill the red team. I need to kill the red team. Oh no, I just placed the bomb. Oh no, my bomb fell down. Right now, I'm seeing where should I place my bomb, and I'm gonna fall down. Oh my, I placed the bomb. Oh, yes, I came to red team. Hooray! Yes, yellow team has been eliminated. What? Tejas, which team are you in? Which team? Green. I'm in red. Yes. I'm gonna destroy the team. You are literally losing. You are the only one in your team. Oh my! Oh no! No, 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 no. Ouchies. Oh jeez. Why is this not loading? Ow! Tejas, which team? I'm not gonna tell you. Oh shoot! Oh shooties! Oh shooties! Who is gonna destroy my team? Nobody has a hug to destroy my team. I'm gonna destroy your team. I'm gonna destroy your team. I destroy your ladders. Your both side are destroyed. Ow. I did that. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no, 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 no! You can't do this! You can't do this! You no, 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 no! Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh. No! Tejas, you changed 5 to 6 games. Oh ha! But not. I'm gonna see it tomorrow. Blue team has been eliminated, but I'm still not. Seriously? Let's see, how should I get up there? I can't even jump that high. Yeah. Oh, shit. Red team has been eliminated, but I'm still not eliminated. Green team has won the game. Which team? Which team?